I'm delighted to attend the launch of the Insolvency Service of Ireland public information campaign. I want to extend my sincere thanks to Lorcan O'Connor, who's the Director of the Insolvency Service of Ireland, for inviting me to speak at this very important event. My colleagues in government and I have at all times been acutely aware of the financial difficulty being experienced by tens of thousands of individuals and families across the country as a consequence of the economic downturn. I have spoken to a great many people caught in the horrific trap between income collapse and spiralling debt, and often in this situation through no fault of their own. I have listened in confidence to their personal experiences and have heard firsthand of their despair at not knowing where the money will come from to put food on the table, never mind how they will make the next mortgage repayment. Today, tens of thousands of people across the country are attempting to navigate, without assistance, the tightrope of their personal finances. Today is a good day for them. In a previous life, as a family lawyer, I dealt firsthand with the realities of relationship breakdown, often as a result of financial difficulties, or on occasions when breakdown occurred, families suffered tremendous financial difficulties who hadn't previously had that experience. I'm well aware of the devastating impact unsustainable personal debt can have on families and on children, and today's launch is also a good day for them, and I'm going to explain why. One of the main priorities of this government was to put in place the best solutions we could for people living under the burden of unsustainable debt. When I took office as Minister for Justice in March 2011, it was immediately clear that little work had been undertaken to reform or modernise legislation in the areas of bankruptcy and insolvency, despite the tremendous financial difficulties being experienced by so many people in the state. The introduction of a modern, practical and humane insolvency and bankruptcy process through the Personal Insolvency Act, which we now have, and the establishment of the Insolvency Service of Ireland was an essential and necessary priorities in our path to recovery and growth.